When installing a plasma screen to your wall, we will first clear the area to make sure it's safe. We will unpack the equipment to check for the right kit and accessories. We will then check out the cable run access and any other electrics in the area. Assembling of the equipment is carried out while the mounting location is checked for any problems, and when a suitable location is identified, the communications cable access port is sited. In this installation, as the home is modern and minimalistic, the player equipment, skybox, DVD player, etc. are all going in a small cupboard under the stairs, so this is where all the communications cables are going to start from. Mounting the TV needs a special wall bracket which must be secure and level. This involves the homeowner having the final say as to the exact height of the screen. This is a critical stage to the final appearance. The cables for the audio, picture and power are sent from the TV to the broadcast point, a delicate process, while the same cables are organised at the TV mounting point. Drilling holes, well, what can you say? I like the pace these two work at. We can now fix the wall bracket, final adjustment ensuring the level is maintained. This is final adjustment ensuring the level is maintained. Now we have our mounting point completed and cables run, it is time to get cozy and terminate the cables. Cables come in large rolls, so cutting and putting intricate connections on them is required. Using specialist cables means the right cable in the right place for the right job. Final positioning of the TV to the client's requirements is done to the millimetre, while final tidying up of the cable's access point is carried out. The mounted TV is checked and connected, and the broadcast point is also connected and set up on the client's chosen furniture. There you have it. Plasma on the wall, no cables, no mess and no painting.